Hey everyone, Adrian Morrison here, and in this video I want to discuss split testing with Facebook ads. So in the overview video of split testing that you should have already watched by now, I talked about keywords with Facebook advertising and how it is not always the best idea to group them all together, because then you don't really know which audiences that like specific keywords are converting and which ones are not. And I have this thing where I don't like to be blind in my marketing. I like to know where every single penny is coming from. And if you're running a real business, you always want to be aware of where your profit is and where loss is occurring. So one way to identify this, if you're using the section in Facebook where you can target interests, is by coming in here and targeting stuff like, let's say we're targeting an ad toward, let's just keep it basketball, okay? Let's say you're targeting an ad targeted toward Cleveland Cavalier fans. All right, so you've got Cleveland Cavalier fans, right? But then you've also got the players that play for Cleveland, like Kyrie Irving. He's got 8 million people that say that they like him. You've got LeBron James. 8 million people, or 28 million people say that they like LeBron. But what happens here is you've got people that like by association. You've got people that like LeBron from back when he played for the Miami Heat. So you're hitting people that may not really like LeBron anymore. Kyrie Irving and Cleveland Cavaliers are going to have, different audiences as well. You can see the differences here. So when you're using this interest category, don't just go crazy and say, Facebook suggests that I also target, all of these other things and start throwing them in there, because you want to make sure you know which audiences are making you the money. Look at it like this. Cleveland Cavaliers is their own audience. Kyrie Irving is its own audience. LeBron James is its own audience. And what I do is for each individual ad that I'm marketing, I only put one keyword per ad. So let's say we wanted to market on all three of these keywords. Well, that would mean I would make 3 different ads. I'd make one ad for Cleveland Cavaliers, one ad for Kyrie Irving fans, one ad for LeBron James fans, send them to my basketball shirt, and see which one of them converts. They may all convert. None of them may convert, or you may find that Kyrie Irving fans convert way better than the Cavs or LeBron James fans. This is how you really identify where your profit is and go from, something that's like maybe 20% return on your investment to getting those 100, 200% ROIs, because you're eliminating everywhere where loss is occurring and you're only focusing on where your profit is. Now, if you have a lot of keywords, this is a lot of work. I mean, you're going to have a lot of ads running. If you've got 20 different keywords you want to hit and you want to split test by them, that means you got 20 different ads you got to make. It's really quick and easy to make the ads because Facebook lets you duplicate ads and, just make one change. But one way that I really do this and identify high click rate keywords is by paying extra money to use a tool. They're a Facebook marketing partner. Now, a tool that is really important for me when it comes to efficiently split testing keywords and figuring out which ones are getting me higher click rates and more clicks and more traffic, ones that are going to be higher converting keywords for me, is just simply using a tool called Ad Espresso. It's about $150 a month to have access to this tool. I'm going to type the name in for you right here. They are a Facebook marketing partner, and they are just, phenomenal in terms of the data that they can really expose about your campaigns. And this keeps me from having to build a trillion campaigns are a trillion ads all targeting a different keyword. So adespresso.com, you don't have to have it, but if you want to more efficiently measure your keyword performance, if you're using one of those crazy keyword campaigns, this is definitely important. Now, I don't always use a zillion keywords on my campaigns. I like to do, campaigns that have more broad keywords that reach a ton of people. But like I said, some campaigns, you just simply have to get nitty gritty with them. And this is one of those campaigns where I've split tested a new ad for every single keyword that I've been marketing on. And if you look here, you will see all of the keywords that I'm marketing, and you will see exactly what my click-through rate is on those keywords. So let's look at those. All right, so I've over here on the left-hand side are the keywords. Now I've blurred those out because this is an active running campaign, and I have to, once again, I have to secure my ads and my campaigns so a zillion people don't go copy the same thing. But I want you to learn from this video of how I split test. So you can see here, starting at the top, my top performing keywords got a 5% click rate. Now each one of these lines is another keyword that's relevant to the other, but notice as I scroll down, the keywords go all the way down to 1% CTR. So using a tool like this would quickly allow me to identify, if I was targeting a bunch of keywords, which ones are saving me money and getting me a lot of traffic for dirt cheap versus which ones are costing me money, pulling down my relevance score, which you can see here is 9.5, and costing me more money. So AdEspresso is a very effective tool. Highly recommend it. You don't have to have it. You can just simply create a new ad for each and every keyword that you have and do it that way. But I just try to do things as quick as I can so I can move on to the next. So split testing by interest or keyword, very, very important. You can really find some winners, some golden nuggets, and pull out any other keywords that are kind of crushing your ROI in a bad way. So I hope you learned a lot from this video. I hope you use this strategy, and it certainly works for me. And I know if you do it right, it will work for you.